Me do it now with you.
Yes. Order Kandamasa. Now it's good that Ami and your papa or your creative. Because through my creativity, you got this.
But it's my name, it's not yours.
Very good. If my daughter have, it's mine. Oh, I won't touch it. Even the sitting down, Grandma, sit down.
I say don't touch it.
I won't touch it.
Go back.
Wait, my daughter. Oh. You love it.
Papa, you suffering to say.
You love it.
You suffering.
You are my daughter. If my hand is on your waist, nothing can conjure me. Nothing can conjure me.
I do this press. You know how much dollars.
You spoil my day. Young man, you spoil my day. Shut up! In what?
Law.
Pray the fool in capital letters. Who is your in-law? I'm not your in-law. Please.
I came to beg you.
You came to beg?
What about?
Yes, Sika, Ababra, Achapa. Yes, Sika, yes, Ababra, Achapa.
I said you're baby, I'm the man in-law.
Pray the fool. No pocho, or your banchampesi, Yadama. No pocho, your Kobe, I want to. Mother contemporary way to Yadama. Apologize to me. Forward to car knows one of whom. In here knows one, forward to one away. Safatakana. Hey, don't smuggle and talk to my daughter. In the presence of her father, you want to smuggle. Talk to my daughter. I want who kufu de asaba. What that to accident patients no do.
Oh, Papa.
I want who kufu de asaba cotton what that to accident patients. What do? Give me the key.
Mama, what is car?
Bread the fool. What is car? In the middle of come home and from no of it. But you know what is car? Nonsense. About corner About Penisu. I am a bumpo sometimes or attract him. Sometimes or attract him. And yet the mighty down. And down. What balances to crowd or later? We'll talk about it. There are some balances. Later we'll talk about it. Bring the fool. Bring it to know. When Uncle bring in the chicken to know or shatter to know. The chefs up Bonasrum po. Or washwa. Tramos washwa. Under the no Bonasrum po tramos them. Or no providing. Every you know how I'm sorry, my pocho. Thank you. Look at this. What am I going to do with this yassa thing? What are you going to do with it?
Come on.
Play the fool. Nonsense car. Damn carry. What do you do, Quado? Play the fool. Damn carry. Catch it. Chukanako. Ama. Let's go.
Mama.
You go. I'll see you later.
Mama, why are you doing this to me, please? Mama.
Ha! So for when you wash a car, Marwano. At the bachelor car, baby, what's more responsible. I'm coming to beg. Amma, do you cherish car than our love? What can love buy me? Can that your dirty love give me fufu? Yeah? Can that your dirty love buy me agulema? Where is food?
Mama. Please, Mama.
Sometimes I wash my hands. All right, what's Sumsum, all fed. It doesn't put It doesn't pay me. Be a man come out. Hey! Stop there. Stay there. Hey! You don't deserve to step on that thing. Isha, Ifata, they tear the mother da. Bread full. More about one, yeah, them here. I want Amado. Match of banner finish him. But now be the uniform. Eminent and American. Home Fata, the more welfare. Don't show. I'm with the welfare. Shamu. Now we are talking about dollars. We are talking about dollars. Cedis. Me here cedis. I say, Ishamwa, me for the city. No, beautiful. My wife, come out. Come out. Me you know Queen. Queen of Sheba. On the way Queen. Dan watch at them. Dan watch them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you think this woman is a city woman? Ada city yan dollar buy my brother. Into the yasha so we can tell him. Into the yasha so we can tell him. Ewa, into the yasha so we can tell him. Fred, what's the matter? No, don't talk. Into the way here, dear me, met my back, bamo, awal, my wallen. Fred, the fellow me catch her there. Baby. Why you need that? Oh, it's away. A man may not pay me tim. But don't call my sight. One be fumpa and confumpa. Now, when what the model won't you block some more stop him? Fred, listen there. No one was that. Ne enya kukuri. I got to turn them up. Leba by me, my back. No, have it. No, the now coffee. Fred, the marriage is on the rocks. Amado. I said, hey, Macho. Hey, it's buddy. I saw. Queen, man from Asubio. Autumn, Emmy. I am a soma. I didn't. And won't anything tonight. 1 inch. No welcome anyone from now. Won't hear nothing. In fact, very soon, we'll from Asubio.
Oh, I saw.
Hey, Fred, the walk out kakra. Mean to Shamaka on your cow. Sincerely, mean this. If you are ready to take what you gave us, I'm ready to pay you back in dollars. My wife, give me some dollars. Give me some dollars. Give me one. Fred, I'm ever ready to pay you off and tell you to not step this compound again. Are you ready to take your money? Are you ready to take your money? I'm asking you. I'm not even ready to give you $1. Wife, no.
If you win, I'm saying with $, woman.
Fred. Oh! Beautiful question. Beautiful question. What's that what you tell him? Emma. What's that what you tell him? Very soon, Oba appear in our buildings.
The PFA and who said, I see when you papa.
Oh! Me yasopa.
Fred, maybe can I?
When I'm some $, Mohon confirm dressing we say I'm some $. Ah! Jajai.
Aso. The patches my bonibia. Catch up and I'm in power chow. I'm going to do a so chair, a so broom, so my patcho. What I will, Mamma Sir.
Beautiful. I am a day who bonaye. Number Baba, remember me. Not that cow bonaye. I think. Fred, how many times watch an American movie.
See, you're provoking my husband.
Beautiful.
You're just provoking him.
Beautiful. They won't answer my question because they know how sharpness I am. Fred, do you know American Ninja? And I want to tell you, American Ninja is in Ghana. I told you, American Ninja is in Ghana. Fred, I'm an Okun. My red Ramokun. Who are? Go back. Fred, American Ninja is in Ghana.
So Mama will talk.
Fred. What? Some kind of woman.
I'm not that get away.
Yes.
I'm not that get away.
What for Diana?
Wow, show me.
Them down one yard. Look at her. Look at her.
I will say a compliment to my son. Yeah, but my son wanna do.
In fact, you are a beautiful woman. In fact, you deserve to be I'm a beautiful mother.
That's it.
I don't know what to say. You look like dollar.
Oh yeah.
In fact, you are looking like chimpan. I'm not adding the Z. Otherwise, you look like chimpanzee. Now you are looking like chimpan. Double.
I will show you that twice now. What if you will
I go. Oh, nice one.
Fred. Look. I don't know what to say, but you know it's not my fault. I swear I didn't know about that. It's not my fault, you know. Please forgive me. I do. You can't do this to me, Fred. You can't do this to yourself as well. Let's run away. Let's go somewhere my parents won't find me again, so we can live happily.
Maybe you know this can't work. Because your parents will never accept me. Please.
They will, it's time.
Please let me be, okay?
Look, you can't do this to yourself.
Please. Please. Please, this will not work. Can you please leave me? I need to think, baby. I need to think.
You can't do this to yourself.
Please, I need to think, please.
You can't do this yourself.
Can you please excuse me? I want to be alone for a while, please.
Gosh.
Please. Can you leave me alone, please? Beautiful.
Am I beautiful? What is really your problem?
Efia, I love Fred and that's it. No doubt about that. Yes. You love Fred.
Wait. It's okay. 1 minute. I'll be back. Okay. Let's go. Look, I understand.
But here is the case that your parents don't accept him. So what are you going to do about it? And moreover, the guy in question here is not just any guy. He is a medical doctor in the US. For God's sake, Amma, think! What is wrong with you? Don't you want to hit it big? Don't you want to make war?
Look, can we go?
No. Do you want to stay here for the rest of your life? I know because of Fred, you've changed. But we have to move forward. He is just a banker. He's nobody. Don't you want to visit the world? Amma, please.
Fia, can't we go?
Okay, promise me you're going to accept Ife's gift.
Can we go? You fun Can we go? Follow me then.
Alright then. Since you're going to accept it. You're going to accept it.
Oh, my in-law. Welcome, my in-law.
Thank you so much.
So, like I was saying, I returned 3 days back, and I was asked by your son-in-law to be actually asked me to deliver these items to you.
How is he?
Yeah, he's doing well. And how are you doing too?
We are all fine.
Adoma.
Last thing about my didn't be you. Oh.
Papa.
Oh.
Dollar Casa. Dollar Casa.
Hey, I brought you them.
Yo, the most man in what the hawk?
Where was it? Sure. Here, Tam.
Wow.
Oh, beautiful. Oh. God. I just
Cabana. We in Sakati.
Yeah, Papa B. Papa B. Yamala, Matsia. No, Mother Roma. In the year you pay. Come on, you know, some other woman friend. Emina me, more yin think it will be. It's your one yesterday, Abba. Now, that time is in so. I shall see a young man for what I should go on a month.
Oh, I see.
Ah, you're about to Sana at the Chardonnay. As a bread here. Oh, sorry. When group?
No. It's part of the package. I mean, they are yours.
And Yada.
Exactly.
Oh,
Hey! I didn't get. Dollar.
Madam Atty.
Oh.
Dollars. Oh, my in-law, don't do that. My in-law. Don't do Sika basa. Eh? Oh.
I need just some.
He's there. He's there.
No, they are all yours. One for.
Yada.
Oh,
Oh, now he can reach us.
Exactly.
Now he can reach us. Oh, God.
Well, that is not all. I believe these items are for the two parents. I mean,
can you just
he specifically asked me to deliver this to the wife to be. He said he doesn't want her to be boarding trotro and taxis here and there, so he has given and in fact bought her a new car, and that's the key to the car. And of course the car is parked outside for her specifically. Yes, once she can drive, I mean that should be so.
Anita,
exactly.
I'm beautiful. Car in say about packing in you home here. In Mama kind of what trade you know what's the kind. No me transfer now we see now with me. No me they can see front. We can some will go. Mura.
That's okay.
Let me show.
My in-law.
Let me show.
When do you say me nasa?
That's all right.
When do you say me nasa? My in-law. May God bless you.
God bless you too.
May God bless you.
Bless you too.
May God richly protect you.
Amen.
I'm the measure of I'm more protection. I don't know what to say again, my in-law. Them P dollar count. I mean dollars. That better. Oh, Irati.
And a khaki.
Khaki.
Oh,
Share.
Hey. And you talk
One cousin won't carry Yankopon. One cousin won't carry Yankopon. What's in there? May rather buy a moment on a ye. Then, them one lifted Elijah, no cutting is an infant. Quaw, no dua, naturally a war, it's been to see. My in-law, may God bless you.
Thank you so much.
May God bless
you. But extend my regards to her.
Oh, I will do that.
I'm friend.
Oh, never mind. I think she
say what?
Exactly. So, my love, God bless you too.
When you need me, young fool. And the banners are by no sifona
na yenya atense for kakra na hwamate na mamiti hwa mama na asate
mama ko emi
wa sisi hey hello yeah ina yango
ame scanway ena to mami ni so me fancy kakra na wo de biara de The girl this ena to mabusu go fancy kakra
emaya maniske nine be
eh you say the best say that's fancy na with
ama ba na yehu me be yen
with you
ama
Papa beautiful.
I'm beautiful.
Yes, Papa beautiful.
Listen to me.
You know the more dashes.
Oh, play abo.
Miti mana peto nyamtanina. Nirinja iluzi biarado.
Anam na dumti. Menyumtete bi obeye. It's a papa. Mazum papa obeye mejuma. Obreyo warabo.
Wabo.
Pick it. The key is for you.
Kana safia. Uza. Ukuna. Owa American doctor. Mana papa true aeroplane. Na say na papa all the way up Ghana. No say. Ukuna repia chede. Ompe mat na trotrum. Na nkofo de won ho etwutwu. Ebet na taxi drivers ya na ho adwen eyi kakrakri. Odi no fu no de ugam. Nanto no hwehwia na ayedze. Enti obama wo skin wo color wo complexion wa darken wa sun enti wo safi no da wo ka wo si ho wo da ma wo da
Brando wabo Ko vinti nyamiemu Fred you beti akama I don't know what to do. This is my car. I wake up in the morning, take my shower, I'll brush my teeth. If yeah, carry Onyari pa, mama gonna enter. Want to know? Brand new wearable. Wabu. Wabu.
Yes. Order Kandamasa. Now it's good that I mean, your papa or your creative. Because through my creativity, you got this.
But it's my name, it's not yours.
Very good. If my daughter have, it's mine. Oh, I won't touch it. Even the sitting down, I sit down.
You don't touch it.
I won't touch it.
Go back.
Wait, my daughter.
Oh.
You love it.
Papa, you suffer me to say.
You love it.
You suffer me.
You are my daughter. If my hand is on your waist, nothing can conjure me. Nothing can conjure me.
I do this press. You know I got $1.
You spoil my day. Young man, you spoil my day. Shut up! In what?
Law.
Spread the fool in capital letters. Who is your in-law? I'm not your in-law. Please.
Please. I came to beg you.
You came to beg?
What about?
Yeah, yes, scared about Achapa. Yeah, yes, yet about Achapa.
Listen, your baby, I'm the man in-law.
Very fool. My pocho or your banchampesi, Yadama. My pocho, your Kobe, I want to. More dog contemporary way children, Yadama. Apologize to me. Forward to car knows one of him. In here knows one forward to one away. Safatakana. Hey, don't smuggle and talk to my daughter. In the presence of her father, you want to smuggle. Talk to my daughter. I want to kufu de asaba. What that to accident patients no do.
Oh, Papa.
I want to kufu de asaba cotton what that to accident patients. What do? Give me the key.
Mama, what is car?
Ready fool. What is car? In the middle of come home and from no of it. But you know what is car? Nonsense. About no. About Hennessy. I am a bumpo sometimes or attract them. Sometimes or attract them. And yet the mighty down. And down. We'll cry balances to cry or later. We'll talk about it. There's some balances. Later we'll talk about it. Ready fool. Bring it to know. We now could bring in a kitchen to know or shatter to know. The chefs up Bonasrum po. Or wash what? Tram also wash what? Under the no Bonasrum po tram also them. Or no provide a bit in Holland. I'm sorry, my pocho. Thank you. Look at this. What am I going to do with this yatsi thing? Eh? What are you going to do with it?
Come on.
Ready fool. Nonsense car. Damn Kali. What made your quadro? Ready fool. Damn Kali. Catch it. Chukanako. Ama. Let's go.
Mama.
You go, I'll see you later.
Mama, why are you doing this to me? Please. Mama.
Hey! So far when you are Shakanimu, Marwano, at the Bachina Kani, baby, what's it? Who hold you responsible? I'm coming to beg. Amma, do you cherish God and our love? What can love buy me? Can that your dirty love give me fufu? Yeah? Can that your dirty love buy me agulema? Where is food?
Mama. Please, Mama.
Bini moto
Eja, good afternoon. Eja, good afternoon.
What can I do for you, gentlemen?
But you dear, Mkrana Bonnie. I'm say, if you say me who am and my bonnet hoka be brave. After so sad me call down who be home. And no consment I'm toying over 150 bucks. And this can't get outside the free money, your mamma beji, you know. But my general am say, meet me, mamma, uncle, Namin Sika, so, and you're possible. To them, take Nitin in the tea, I'm going to buy some baby Jim Sika. Either saw the Amma mammy, and I say, Jim Sika, and it's in a buy, and anticipating.
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. You know, before I will start, I have this allegation to make. Can I don't want to chip into the car? I
can't my baby, my anything.
Can I don't want to catch it? Some crackers, a cassa. Chip into the cow, son of my chassis.
The patch of tea. Never with me, Brabrasso, and then me bear many abripa. Many abrim, person no bay diggy. Either saw him Sika be mammy, and I saw the Amma be mammy. No mountain moment trauma moons aquasiana. I don't have a fool.
Small boys are young. What's one that bread in a bedo? It's so pemmy, it's so pay on Nankantum. I can for pemmy, the vocation. Can you stand? Gentlemen, can you stand? Can you stand? A jam in person bubefu cry. Ha! From Sika mammy. And I saw the Amma mammy, person bubefu. Emi mubufua, eh? Emi mubufua. Mutume show for half more can cram than or wubufua. Eh? Catch it. Send me mubufua. Mutume show kept course for more can cram than or wubufua to me. I'm listening to you. Answer me. And you the number of Atopa motorway answer me right now. Nancy light off bye. I mean, I'm here the swimming. Ebra light no way in what them more. Mingari. Midacho, Christianity, Miss Onyashi. Onyashi, Midin Hammer don't say the best of him. That's it. Maybe say Rahu. Very see Miss Kana Meiji. Either saw the Miss Cabama, and I saw the Abama, and yes, I end up upon a million one cassa warriors be crap payment. Huh? Let's show back of corn. No, I don't know what the bin, no other matter. And you madame Moya Cocon. In Madame Moya Cocon, and be a mature. The pregnancy processing, and you be bram a bread on the crumble mingo be a hurry. Oh, I prefer to use. Catch a lumbufu.
Sika ni bri edo wa fa o wadi sika jisa shedi e wa ko fa ba sika ni bri edo wa fa men ka mountain sika ni bri edo wa fa o wadi sika jisa shedi e wa ko fa ba sika ni bri edo wa fa men ka mountain. No hurry in life, Sika ni bri edo wafa. And bro, no hurry in life, Sika ni bri edo wafa menka mountain. Onya misra na ya di for braduma ya fabinka o timini ato buase. Abrabo enya kansie na ya radio bedikan inti ya abotra nkoa Bible say boni nyina yini eni sika hwede wa kofa ba we dia da kwa wadie no ujatu adresia sika ni brenti hwede wa kofa ba Onya misra na yoti for braduma ya fabinka wo timinu